Creating and using packages. Packages in Dubsado can be used many ways. You can create your packages, services, whatever types of products you're going to be selling. Instead of typing them out every single time you add it to an invoice or to a proposal, you can create them here within this templates area. Note, you can also create packages while you're building a proposal. But sometimes if you're like me and you like to build things all out at once and then move on to a next step, packages can be built here within the templates packages area. So packages are like the services, products, whatever you're going to be selling to your client that has a dollar amount on it. You can use packages within proposals where your clients can pick and choose the services or products that you're selling. Or you can use packages to apply directly to an invoice. So it kind of acts like an invoice template. You create your invoice template here within a package so that you can easily apply it to an invoice and not have to rework and create your invoice every single time you have a new client. So I'm going to show you how to create a package, and then we're going to show you the different uses for a package. So to add a package, just click Add Package. Then you're going to want to create a name for this package. So I'm going to name this one my test video. Once I've saved that, I can click Add New Line Item. This is where you're going to create the item that you are selling. You can add a description in there if you need to. Be sure it's set at a quantity, and then add your price. You can add a new tax, or you can choose from the tax dropdown. Creating a category is just for bookkeeping purposes. So at the end of the year, if let's say this is part of my branding services area, I know at the end of the year, I've made X amount of money in my branding service. So again, this is just for bookkeeping purposes. It's not required if you don't want to do it, but it's just nice at the end of the year to see how much you made in each category of your business. Once you're done with all the required fields, click Add Item, and you could see that item in there and the total of the package. You can have your package just have one item in it. Or if your package is more like a bundle of many things, you can add multiple items in it. So again, I'm adding things on and adding the item. Once I'm done building out my package, I can click Save and Exit, and you can see here's my test video package right down here. Now, if I just want to apply this test video package onto an invoice that I'm going to send to my clients, I'm going to head to Projects, go into a job that I have. I'm going to head to Invoices. So now my invoice is blank, or I can work off an invoice that I already have. But I'm going to use this package dropdown, and I'm going to find the package that I just created. So once I found that package, it adds it to my proposal. If I've created other packages that I want to add to my invoice, I can just do so by clicking the packages again and keep adding on packages that I want to. You can edit, remove, do whatever you need to do from this page as well. So if you need to tweak anything, you can do so right on the invoice. This just saves you a lot of time from adding in new line items every single time you have a new client. Another way that you can use packages is within the proposal process. I go deep into the proposal process in another video, so hang tight if you want to learn how to use that more deeply, but I'm just going to show you a brief overview of it right now. I head to Templates, Forms. So I'm in a proposal that I have all set up and created. These right here are packages that I've already added. Let's delete one and just show you how I did that. So I'm going to click and drag the package element into the area it's supposed to go into. I'm going to click that package, and it's going to pop up with the ability to either create a new package here on the fly, like I told you about a few seconds ago, or you can select from a package that you've already created. For example, the test video package that we just made. I can add that into the proposal. I can format it however I need to. And once formatted however you like, you can add different smart fields to it. So if you want to have it populate maybe the items that are in it, or maybe the item names and descriptions, but we didn't add a description in that package. So I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. Again, you can also type in text as well. Once I'm done and I've added that package, I can click Close, and you can see my test video packages on that proposal. When the client chooses Select, it adds those two items onto the invoice that we created in this package process. So a package, again, can be a collection of items like I have this one, or it can just be a simple one-off package like this one. It's just a little add-on, has one item in it, so I call it my add-on. Packages can consist of many items or just one, but they're equally all called packages. So get in there and create your packages so that you can save some time and not having to type out all your services every single time. If your services are different for every client and you do not have set packages, I'll show you how to use proposals and such if you have a more custom style business model.